Guys, ito, nandito kami sa soccer game. We're gonna watch this. Attorney Mabara. Our Nihonjin friend. There's Jason. There's Boji. And there's me. And there they are. First time to watch this kind of game. Donut timu. Ano ta? Akai? Ah. So let's stop for a while. We'll be back later when the game started, right? So the game is now starting. So I can kick the ball. The green guy kicked the ball and it's outside. Passing balls. No. Kick the ball back. Kinukuha natin ang kanilang technique para pag napalaban tayo, alam natin. So, hirap. Foul.